Welcome to our channel. Today, you will learn a simple and effective step-by-step way to solve any trading problems you face with Comerica Securities. Welcome to our channel today. You will learn a simple and effective step-by-step way to solve any trading problems you face with Comerica Securities. Many traders encounter difficulties while placing or managing trades through Comerica Securities. But worry not, this guide simplifies the process and ensures you get back on track quickly. First step, identify the exact nature of the problem. Are you unable to execute trades, experiencing login errors, or seeing discrepancies in your account? If that's a login issue, verify your credentials, reset your password if necessary, and ensure your internet connection is stable. If trading orders are rejected or not processed, check for any notifications or alerts from Comerica related to margin requirements, trade restrictions, or system maintenance. Next, ensure that your trading platform and software are fully updated. Outdated platforms can cause glitches or failed orders, so always use the latest version available. Also, clear your browser cache if you trade via web platforms to avoid old corrupted data affecting your experience. Third step, review your account settings. Verify that your market hours match the exchange operating times. Confirm your available buying power and double-check your order type and parameters. Accuracy here prevents common mistakes which cause failed trades. Fourth, if you experience ongoing technical issues, contact Comerica Securities customer support. Their professionals have tools and insights that can resolve system bugs or issues unknown to the general user. When you reach out, provide specific details about your problem, including error messages, screenshots, if possible, and the timing of the problem. This will speed up the troubleshooting process. Fifth, try a platform reset or reinstall. If persistent problems remain, sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling the trading app or resetting platform settings can clear corrupted files or conflicts, preventing smooth trading. Finally, always keep an eye on official Comerica communications, including emails or website updates. They may announce scheduled maintenance or system upgrades affecting your ability to trade. Being proactive helps you avoid unexpected disruptions. Remember, by following these steps carefully, you ensure a hassle-free trading experience with Comerica Securities. Stay calm, approach the problem methodically, and use the available professional support to solve it effectively. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your trading tools and software updated for best performance and security. Do not let simple technical issues hold back your investing journey.